Yes, sir. Finna blow this bitch up from way back there. Y'all see my nigga.
200 meters. 200. 200 occasion.
Man, know somebody that fucking with me on this sniper game. Hey, these niggas holla out sniper game.
You're not. You're not in sniper game, bro. If you can't shoot in the dark 200 meters, you're not in sniper game.
Hey, what I tell y'all, you work on your R's, you can shoot in the dark.
It's the day of reckoning.
Blowing shit up. Man, who fucking with me, man?
Watermelon. Watermelon.
It look like some shit been carved out this bitch. I don't even see the pole way back there. Ooh, I'm a motherfucking marksman.